When ordering our UV DTF prints, you'll receive a roll like this one. Simply unroll it, cut out your design, and they're ready to apply. This is our rolled out gang sheet. All you need to do is cut out the design in question. You can use a pair of regular scissors or a craft blade. Your UV DTF transfer will come with a film backing. We remove this and it's ready to apply to our item. We recommend cleaning the surface of your item with a lint-free microfiber cloth. You can also use isopropyl alcohol, as this will evaporate off the item and give the surface a thorough clean. To apply the transfer, simply lay it on top of the item that you're looking to press it onto. Make sure it's even across and then rub it down with your thumbs to remove any air bubbles from the film. With the sticker applied firmly, peel back the film slowly. Smooth down the image with your thumb if there are any parts that may be lifted slightly, and your design is ready.